Greetings and salutations, YouTube. It's Hadrian here. Welcome to another episode of the vlog. Mom is here in the kitchen and she's making quesadillas, but she's using the leftover pizza stuff. So anything she has left from when we made pizzas the other day, she's using for the quesadillas. So they're like pizza quesadillas. Pizza-dias. Yummy. Guys, so I'm working on like getting places to send to the Philippines, but I did find my other plates like this that I just thrifted. They're right there. So now I have a set of 8. Yay! And look at all this stuff. Hi, Mom.
Yes.
She's talking to my auntie. Hi, Auntie.
Hi, Coach.
Alright, guys, we're taking a quick break from packing stuff up, and Mom made some nachos using leftover pizza stuff also. So we used leftovers this morning for quesadillas. Now some nachos, and this is my thrifted Henry Bendel thing from the Goodwill. And she's making some salsa right here. Then we have some jalapenos. So delicious.
Jalapenos. Yeah.
Oh, you guys, we're so excited. This looks delicious. John, are you excited? Mm-hmm. He's jumping out of the seat. Hey guys, it is now the next day. We're gonna go get tacos because it's Taco Tuesday. Eliza's excited, but we're taking 2 cars. So I am taking my car with John. He's coming in right now. Packages in the back that we're gonna drop off after we go have lunch, and it's kind of a late lunch, so another reason why we took 2 cars. Mom's gonna go pick up the kids with my sister, and we're gonna go to the post office. So, yay! Alright, you guys, we just parked. We're waiting for Mom to park, but we're here. We're gonna go to Pacific Fish Grill. Yum! It's Taco Tuesday. I don't think I'm gonna get tacos though. I think I'm gonna get. What are you gonna get, John? John's gonna get tacos for sure.
I'm gonna get
John's gonna get tri-tip tacos, and I'm gonna get the poke bowl. Yum! I've been wanting one forever. Alright, you guys, our food just came. Wow! I ended up getting fish tacos instead of what was I gonna get? Oh yeah. God, this instead looks so good. Eliza, are you excited? Woo! French fries. Hey guys, so I think it's like the 3rd day in this vlog. Sorry I haven't been filming too much. I've just been so busy trying to get stuff done that like isn't really interesting enough to film for you guys, but just stuff I have to get finished. But today is Wednesday. It's about 11 o'clock. We're gonna go head over to the post office really quick and then probably to the Goodwill. So let's go. I'm excited. Also, it's supposed to be raining today. The clouds are very like, it's very overcast right now. It's supposed to start raining around like any minute now is like what it says according to my weather app on my phone. So hopefully I don't get stuck in the rain. I'm trying to go really quick, but yeah, let's go. Alright, you guys, we're at the Goodwill now. Let's go inside. Here, you guys, we're looking through the handbags first. There are some interesting ones behind the register that I want to see, but I'm gonna wait for the line to die down over there. Let's see. What is that? Oh, I thought this was the Vera Bradley, but it's not. There's a Betsy Johnson. The 9 West. And this is a fake Jimmy Choo. You can already tell because it's leather also and it's peeling. Kenneth Cole bag. Juicy Couture. What do we have here? Is this a Furla?
Can I have the ladies' restroom open?
Oh, this is a Furla. Hello, Furla. It's just like a nice simple tote bag. $7.99. That's cute. This just needs a little bit of cleaning. The inside doesn't look very dirty at all. Here's a fake Proenza. Oh my gosh, this looks just like the Balenciaga crossbody bag. I actually have this one in brown, but this looks like it's universal thread, so this is pleather. Look, it has studs on the side. That's actually kind of cute. What is this, like a fossil? Oh, Coldwater Creek. And Donnie. Ooh, there's a Ted Baker wallet in there, a pink one. There's a Coach, another Coach. This one kind of looks a little like messed up. Ooh, what's that right there? I wonder what that bag is. Do you see it right there with like the green stitching? Whoa. You guys, I don't know if you guys can see through the other side, but there's not very many shoes right now. I think they did like a big clean out. Here's the furniture. Oh, this is like a wine holder. This is interesting. This little side table is kind of interesting. TV stand. Oh, a little swan. Little duck planter. Oh, someone like donated their little duck collection. Some more ducks right there. Oh, are these salt and pepper shakers? These are so cute. Look at them. Crystal Legends. There's this cool turtle shell. It's like ceramic. And it's a Nate Burgess. You just hang it on the wall. It's kind of cool. Whoa, they changed the layout of the store a little bit. The mugs are over here now. With all the other cups. Or glassware. Oh my gosh, it's tea time. It's time for the tea. 3-piece set, $5.99. Oh, it even comes with these little cups. Cute. Oh wait, they still have mugs on this side too, so I guess they carried over to the other side. Interesting. These cups look familiar, like I've seen. Don't remember where they're from though. But they're cool. Pioneer woman. I'm looking at the shoes. See if I can find any shoes for the kids. The shoe section is very sparse though. I think this is like the least amount of shoes I've ever seen here. Wild Diva. What if I could find any cute shoes from my aunts in the Philippines? It's crazy because all of my aunts are like the same size. So if I find like one or two cool like pairs of shoes, they like fight over them because they're all around around 7.5. These are like some fake Yeezys. Yeah, they think those are the ones that light up. You just plug them in. Oh, how cute are these Gap Kids little cat shoes? They look like Charlotte Olympias. Some Chucks. Nothing really jumping out at me so far. You guys, I wanted to show you the rain. It's like just started raining right now, and it is raining intensely. Is it raining, Eliza? Uh-oh. Oh no. It's getting worse? Oh my goodness, it's raining hard. Did you do the rain dance? Uh-oh. Guys, the rain is crazy. It was like kind of sunny this morning too, but the clouds were definitely here, and now the clouds just decided to release all the rain. You think it's not gonna start raining even harder? It totally did. Oh my gosh. It's nuts out there.
I know, right?
You guys, just had dinner and I am back in my room now, but I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I'm so sorry this couple days. I'm sorry I haven't been vlogging as consistently as I have been, but I've just been super duper busy. But do not worry, because some exciting stuff is gonna happen very shortly, so just wait it out. But thank you guys again for sticking along for the ride. I'll see you guys, see you guys later. Bye. Alright, looking through the backpack section. Make me an angel, Victoria's Secret, $2.99. Mark.